Oh no!
Ooh, I like your cut, G.
Yo, these cats are beefing at 7 a.m. What the fuck? What the? Yo, this cat's...
Mason. Okay, I'm gonna say.
Can I get a? Oh yeah!
Somebody once told me the world is gone.
Laugh about it. That wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Wiley.
Come here, dogs. You want a treat? Come here, you want a treat?
Chewy! Come on, Chewy! Come on, Chewy!
Sit.
Did this mess? Was it you?
That's my bad.
It was you. It was.
Oh yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well catch this. It ain't funny when I throw stuff you.
Left, right, on the bed, off the bed. My name is Timothy. I'm speed. Ooh, ah. Agility's my middle name. Ooh, ah. Ooh, what's that in the closet? Let me show you move. Oh my God, it's a mouse.
Carl, yoo-hoo! Carl! Listen, you cannot park in this spot. How many times have I told you? This spot is for executives only. You are not an executive. You're an assistant. You cannot park in this spot. So leave the drink, Carl. Leave the drink. I will take the drink. Oh, okay. The right flavor. Good job, Carl. You just keep walking, Carl.